Whoa. Oh. I don't have an extra motor though. So let's try again. Cool. Electric. Shopping. Oh. I could mod a racer mini bike. MX500. Oh, that's cool. It's not like I own a few of these. Well, let's make another one. Why are there tools here? Why is my bed so lumpy? What's this? Why? There's a pit bike in my bed. All jokes aside, these are pretty much all just spare parts that I had lying around. So we have swing arm, frame, front forks, rear shock, CRF Plastics, Sur-Ron seat. We got a 48-volt battery. We got stunt pegs, Kelly controller, MY1020 motor. We got slicks for the tires. We got a 35 chain that I didn't want to put on the bed. And 60, I think 65, 64 tooth sprocket. And that's it. Let's get this thing together. Why did I do this? Okay. Okay. This. So the next thing I have to do before I can get the rear tire in is get the motor in, because it won't quite fit past the rear tire. It just comes up a little too far. So what I'm gonna do right now is take this special motor mount that allows the motor to go like turn so it doesn't hit the tire, because before it was rubbing. So I'll put that in with the motor, and then since I'm here, I'll get in the Kelly controller, and we might as well get in the battery. Skadoosh. Might as well do that again. It was pretty easy. Well, bam. Put in the master link. God damn. I've been looking for a while, and look what I found. See that little black thing right here? That's our master link clip. Oh yeah, let's finish this build. Let's not mess it up. Yeah. Perfect, baby. Our rear end's on, the motor's on. Now all we have to do is get the battery on and the controller right here. got that mounted up. Now let's get on the wires for the motor and the hull wires and the other wires that are right here. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, shit. Right, I forgot that was plugged in. Ooh, it's a little scary. Once when I was a really little kid, I took some like 20 gauge wire and I thought, what would happen if I put one end of the wire in the outlet socket and the other end in the other side of the socket? And it's like a miracle I didn't like kick the bucket right then. Like I didn't even get hurt. It literally pretty much just vaporized the wire, and I don't even think it switched the breaker or anything, but it was super cool. I remember it like it was yesterday. I was probably like 5 or 6, maybe 7. I don't know. I was young. All right, what? Everything's kind of tight. Maybe just zip tie these together and call it a day. Okay, so let's put on the plastics. I already have the gas tank attached to the front two plastics along with that little adapter plate and some screws up there. I got the bolt right here for the front. It's gonna bolt right in, and then we got the seat with its little adapter things. I gotta tighten these down and these, and that goes right there. And we have my little custom front fender. It works. I don't want the dirt bike one on there, so that's just gonna go right up here like that. Yeah. So let's get this on. What are we hitting? Hitting something. Oh, it's those. Okay. Ground for some reason. There we go. Fits right up. Let's get this on. Let's get that front fender on. It's not the best way of mounting it because it does that. Because if it was more spaced apart, it would be better. But it is what it is, and it looks kind of cool, you know. Like I like the look of the front fender. You know, it puts the bike together. You know. Yeah, first little ride right here in the room, right? See it. No hand grips, but I love the feel. And look, see, since this is like part of the bottom, the front fender doesn't move like the dirt bike one. Oh, I actually should do that. It's like 2 in the morning. That clock's an hour fast. It's 2 in the morning, and I don't really want to wake the parents, but. So here's the bike outside. I haven't put any grips on. I think in the video I already have, but right now they're not on because this is before I did that. We have a lot of salt, and I don't like that, but I know the road's a little better. It's wet, but it's better. So I'm gonna carry this bike out to the road and rip it around a little bit. It's light for a dirt bike, but it's still not easily liftable. Well, there it is, out on the streets. Here, man, I'm out of breath. Oh my. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put this right here. Good enough. Alright. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright. Oh, yeah. Also, we don't have any grips, so I'm kind of chewing up my hands a little bit on this. But it's literally just because I've been too lazy to put them on. I'll do that. I love this bike. It's a great little stunt bike. You're coming with me. Let's go. Putting on the grips with the soapy water. Works like a charm. Right on.